So they keep sending me emails to my iCloud account. Now is JP Morgan Chase and PayPal saying that I owe money. So all you have to do is report this to reportphishing@apple.com. I'm going to show you how. So when you see the email right here, just check that it's a legit email or not. In this case, this PayPal email is coming from an iCloud account, and also there's an 800 number to call support. In this case, also there's a lot of misspelling, so you know it's fake. I haven't even purchased anything from the Geek Squad. All you have to do is tap the little forward arrow on the bottom of your iPhone and then select forward. It will ask you if you want to include the attachments. Say include attachments. Where are you going to send it to? Send it to reportphishing@apple.com, reportphishing@apple.com. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you see this helpful, please follow and subscribe for more tips.